The Malagonlong Bridge is a 5-span, 445-feet-long stone arch bridge built during the Spanish colonial period in Tayabas, Quezon, Philippines. The bridge is known as one of the oldest bridges as well as the longest bridge made during the Spanish era. It was declared a national cultural treasure under the Historic Bridges of Tayabas on August 12, 2011. The bridge was built between the years 1840 and 1850 under the direction of the Fray Antonio Mateos, a Franciscan priest who served as the Ministro del Pueblo of Tayabas. In an account of a Spanish traveler, Juan Alvarez Guerra, the bridge was built in 1841 under Gobernadorcillo Don Joaquin Ortega's term. The bridge was made by the people of Tayabas through forced labor. It is estimated that 100,000 adobe blocks was used to build the bridge. An inscription on the bridge indicates that it was inaugurated in 1850 under the term of Gobernadorcillo Don Julian S. Francisco. The bridge was declared by the National Historical Institute, now National Historical Commission of the Philippines, as a marked historical structure by placing a historical marker. In 2010, the local government of the municipality of Tayabas declared the 11 historical bridges of Tayabas, including Malagonlong Bridge, a historical bridge for protection purposes.